Hello guys, welcome to the Oddspedia channel. Friday 8 p.m. UK time we have the Europa League final in Cologne between Sevilla and Inter Milan. Two giants of this competition head to head and two coaches eager to make something really great. Antonio Conte and Julen Lopetegui. So let's take a look now at the prediction and the odds for this big game, Inter Milan against Seville now. We are going to see the best clubs in the history of the competition head to head. Of course, Sevilla, absolute dominant of the Europa League, with 5 titles in 5 finals, 3 of them in consecutive years, 2014 to 2017. And Inter Milan with 3 titles, the last one in 1998 and 1 final loss in 1997. Actually, Inter Milan have exactly the same record as Liverpool and Juventus in the competition. And Inter Milan have been looking for the European glory since 2010, when they were crowned European champions, this time in the Champions League at Santiago Bernabeu with Jose Mourinho on the bench against Bayern Munich. They've been walking through the desert for years, with Juventus reigning in Italy, until the arrival of Antonio Conte, who has been able to make this team competitive again, actually. Runners up in Serie A, only 1 point behind Juventus, and now the final of the Europa League. Although we don't have to forget that they failed terribly in the Champions League, ending up 3rd in their group with Barca, Borussia Dortmund and Slavia Prague. It was not an easy one. Also, Sevilla are doing great, really great this season, with a new coach and a lot of new faces in the squad. It was a complete new project for Julen Lopetegui after his failure at Real Madrid and the blow for being sacked from the Spanish national team just hours before his debut in the World Cup. But now, with Sevilla, Lopetegui is doing great. The team is qualified for the Champions League, finishing 4th in La Liga, and now they are in their 6th Europa League final. Will they win? Let's get down to the business and check the betting opportunities we have for the Europa League final. And as we could imagine beforehand, it's going to be a very balanced game. And we have really high odds for both teams, so it's a good opportunity to bet in this game. Let's check out now the Oddspedia.com website, so we have the best odds for this important game. And the favorites we see are Inter Milan. They have 2.30 odds for the victory in the 90 minutes game. Sevilla's triumph is paid at 2.56 and the draw 3.65. If we see the market for winning the title, Inter 1.63 and Sevilla 2.57. So really high odds for both of them. Of course, Inter have more name in Europe, and they thrashed 5-0 Shakhtar Donetsk in the semi-finals. Also, they beat Getafe and Leverkusen to reach the final. But be careful with Sevilla. They are in a really big unbeaten run, the best in the history of the club. Their last defeat was in the 9th of February against Celta. Since then, 20 games without a defeat, including the 3 games played in Germany in the Europa League, Roma, Wolverhampton and Man United, their victims. So the full-time market, I think, is very tricky. So let's check out the 2.5 goals market. We find that over is 2.16 and under 1.90, which I think it could be a really good bet here actually. Why? Because in the last 8 games of Sevilla, only in 2 we saw over 2.5 goals, and in the last 8 of Inter Milan, 4 we saw 3 or more goals. And if we see the both teams to score, we have yes 1.85 and no 2.10. So, if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell. Why? Because you need to get notification whenever we publish new content. Also, thumbs up for the video if you are enjoying it. And just a reminder, you can listen to all our videos on our Spotify podcast. The link, you can find it here below. Now it's time to see some interesting stats. And if I was saying that these teams arrived to the final with an amazing run, is because I know something. Sevilla, they have not lost a single game in the last 20 matches, with 9 draws and 11 victories. But in the last 9 games, they won 8, only conceding 2 goals against Athletic Club Bilbao and Manchester United. This is solid defense. Inter, also in great form. In the last 17 games, only 1 defeat against Bologna at home. 6 straight victories, conceding only 1 goal. It was against Bayer Leverkusen. 2-1 was the victory for the Nerazzurri. Steven Zhang, 29-year-old, youngest president of a big European club, has been able to guide Inter to an European final 10 years later. Inter Milan's 5-0 victory over Shakhtar Donetsk is the biggest margin of victory in a single Europa League semi-final game. Lukaku has scored in a record 10 successive games in the Europa League. Absolute record for the Belgian striker. Sevilla must be very careful with Romelu Lukaku and also Lautaro Martinez. They are the first duo to score 20 or more goals each in a single season for Inter Milan since Adriano and Obafemi Martins. It was in the 2004 and 5 campaign. And talking about strikers, Luuk de Jong scored against Man United his first goal in 12 games, netting only 8 goals this season in all competitions. That's very poor statistic. This is the very first time these teams will meet officially. However, Inter Milan already played in Sevilla's stadium, Ramon Sánchez Pizjuán. It was in the Champions League in the year 1998. Real Madrid was banned to play in their stadium, and that game had to be played in the city of Seville. Inter lost that game 2-0. We have a lot of data and information about the Europa League final in 2020. It's our time to place a bet. The full-time market is really risky. Inter are big favorites, but we know that Sevilla compete really well and they have this something in the competition, in the Europa League. Actually, in my opinion, they are the favorites to win the title. Only for this experience that history gives to some clubs, and we already saw that, for instance, in the semifinals against Manchester United, where the English club was probably much better and they finally lost thanks to the great performance of Sevilla's goalkeeper. And we saw also Sevilla also struggling in Europa League finals. I remember especially the one against Benfica in 2014, and then Sevilla won it. Having said that, I could put some of my money on Sevilla, but I think it's a safer betting the one under 2.5 goals. I really see a close match here. We've seen the stats of goals in both teams, and they are not conceding any goals in the last games. Of course, we have Lautaro Martinez, we have Lukaku on the pitch, but still, I would go here for under 2.5 goals bet. We have 1.90 odds in Oddspedia.com with the best odds for the Europa League final. Let me know what you think. Who will win, Inter Milan or Sevilla? Tell me.